Thank you for choosing Casa Marina Galapagos and welcome to the islands. We are delighted to host you and confident you've made the right choice for your house rental. This is your home in the Galapagos Islands. We understand that amenities are a very important part of your vacation. You are centrally located and only 1 block away from the main dock, right at the heart of town. Throughout the years, we have learned that we all have different expectations and budgets when it comes to travel. Communicating your needs with us will help you with the quality of your visit and the success of your dream vacation. Since communication is very important, we have created a series of videos and documents that will answer many questions. We suggest you share them with your family and friends. We have a lot of experience in this business, and we are highly connected. We encourage you to engage your heart for an experience of a lifetime. Welcome to the Galapagos. Thank you for choosing us at Casa Marina Galapagos.